Our planet is warming. The consequences are already upon us: extreme weather, rising sea levels, and mass extinctions. The need to transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy has never been more urgent. The good news? We have the solution within our grasp. Solar energy, harnessed from the sun's boundless energy, offers a clean, sustainable path forward. For decades, fossil fuels have held a tight grip on our energy systems. But the tides are turning. Solar power is rapidly becoming more affordable and efficient, challenging the dominance of fossil fuels. This shift is not just a technological marvel, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our collective will to safeguard the future of our planet. The transition to renewable energy is not without its challenges. Powerful vested interests, particularly within the fossil fuel industry, are resisting this change. But the momentum is undeniable. Across the globe, individuals, communities, and entire nations are embracing the power of the sun. This is a story of hope, innovation, and the extraordinary potential of human collaboration in the face of a global crisis. Let us explore the remarkable rise of solar energy and the solar domino effect that is illuminating a brighter future for us all. The shift to solar energy is gaining momentum, creating a global ripple effect. This is the solar domino effect. As one nation embraces solar, others follow suit, inspired by its success and driven by the pressing need for clean energy. China, once heavily reliant on coal, has become a solar powerhouse. It's now the world's largest producer of solar panels, driving down costs globally. This mass production has made solar energy accessible to millions, accelerating its adoption worldwide. Across the Pacific, Texas, a state traditionally associated with oil and gas, is experiencing a solar boom. Vast solar farms are springing up across the state, generating clean energy and jobs. This remarkable shift demonstrates that even regions deeply entrenched in fossil fuel production can embrace a cleaner future. The solar domino effect extends beyond individual nations. Morocco, a country on the forefront of renewable energy innovation, is building massive undersea solar farms. These ambitious projects, submerged beneath the waves, generate clean energy while minimizing land use. These are just a few examples of the global shift towards solar energy. The message is clear: a clean energy future is within reach, and the world is taking notice. The transition to a solar-powered future faces opposition, a hidden war waged by those who stand to lose from this change. The fossil fuel industry, with its vested interests in maintaining the status quo, has launched a multifaceted campaign to slow the adoption of solar energy. Their tactics are subtle but pervasive. Lobbying efforts target governments, influencing policy decisions and delaying the implementation of pro-solar initiatives. Misinformation campaigns spread doubt about the reliability and affordability of solar power, sowing confusion among the public. These actions are not just a threat to the solar industry, they are a threat to our planet. The longer we remain reliant on fossil fuels, the more severe the consequences of climate change will become. It is imperative that we see these tactics for what they are: desperate attempts to cling to outdated and destructive energy sources. Despite these challenges, the solar revolution continues to gain momentum. The economics of solar energy are undeniable. As technology advances and production costs decrease, solar power becomes increasingly competitive, even without government subsidies. The tide is turning, and no amount of resistance can hold back the inevitable. The future of solar energy is brighter than ever, thanks to a wave of innovation and technological breakthroughs. These advancements are not only making solar power more efficient and affordable, but also expanding its applications in ways we never thought possible. Perovskite solar cells. These next-generation solar cells offer the potential for significantly higher efficiency rates than traditional silicon-based cells. They are also cheaper to produce and can be printed onto flexible surfaces, opening up a world of possibilities for integrating solar power into buildings, vehicles, and even clothing. Solar energy storage. One of the challenges of solar power has been its intermittent nature. The sun doesn't always shine. However, advancements in battery technology are changing the game. Grid-scale battery storage systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, allowing us to store excess solar energy generated during the day and use it at night or during periods of low sunlight. Transparent solar panels. Imagine windows that generate electricity. Transparent solar panels, once the stuff of science fiction, are becoming a reality. These panels can be integrated into windows, skylights, and even smartphone screens, harnessing the power of the sun without sacrificing aesthetics or functionality. These breakthroughs, along with countless other innovations happening in labs and research facilities worldwide, paint a bright future for solar energy. The sun, our planet's most abundant and sustainable energy source, has the potential to power our world for generations to come.